Hi guys, it's Miss Anslone. So I just wanted to go over our lesson here today about the book Refugee by Alan Gantz that we've been reading in our seventh grade English classes. So I'm going to go through this presentation. You should also have a handout with these slides on it and an area to take notes. So feel free to do so while I talk. And just remember that this is meant to be fun. This is meant to be a fun way of going over what we've learned so far in the book. So I'm trying to take what we've read and sort of create a fun activity out of it. So what you'll be doing is you're going to be getting into groups. Okay, so that's the first thing. So you're going to get into a group of no less than 2 people. And your group will be assigned a character by me from the book Refugee. So I'm either going to give you Mahmoud, Isabel, or Joseph. The group doesn't get to pick, and that's just because I don't want any duplication and I don't want any fighting over characters. So I just want to be clear, I'm going to be assigning you which character you're going to be focusing your scene on. And you're going to be writing a script as part of that group, which you'll then perform for the class. Okay, so step 1 is you're going to pick your group. So you need at least 2 people, so go ahead and pick your group. Okay, great. So everybody's picked their group. So now what's next? Well, I'm going to assign you a character. So each one of you will get a different character from the book. So this group is going to be Mahmoud, this group is going to be Isabel, and this group is going to be Joseph. And you guys are going to base your scripts around that character. So you're going to pick a moment in the life of one of those characters in their story, and you're going to write a script off of that. And you can use the book, a copy of the book, to help you. Okay. That takes us to step 3, writing your script. So I'm going to give you a handout with a sample of a script, and I want you to try to follow the formatting of this script. And this is just going to help you when you go to perform, but it's also going to teach you how to format a document as well. So here's the sample script. I'm going to pass it out now. And you can just see how it's laid out. And I want your script, I can't be clear enough, I want your script to look like this. So you're going to get in your group, you've got your characters, and now you're going to write your script. And I just want to go over a couple more things before we wrap up. So just remember, you're working as a team, okay? There's no I in team. I want you to work together. If you're having issues, let me know. But just remember, teamwork makes the dream work. So you really need to rely on one another to come up with ideas. That's part of the beauty of working as a group, is bouncing ideas off of each other and coming up with different things that you could put in your script. I'm going to be checking in with you. That's the last step, just to see how you're doing and making sure things are running smoothly. I want you to feel supported. So that's going to be a big part of my job, is making sure that you have what you need to be successful. And finally, the last thing, and this will be a couple days from now, you're going to perform your scene, okay? So the last thing I wanted to go over is you guys should have a copy of this rubric. And this is just to show you how I'm going to grade you. Okay, so you're going to be graded on these things: participation, your individual participation, your group participation, your script quality, organization, and performance. A 1 means you didn't put any effort in. A 3 means you put some effort in. And a 5 means that you put the maximum amount of effort in. If you guys have any questions about how this rubric is supposed to work, please ask me. I'm going to go over this again just so that we're clear on how you're being graded, because I don't want there to be any issues that come up later on if somebody maybe doesn't do as well as they had hoped. So thanks, guys. I look forward to seeing your performance.